Damro thing on the mountain. There's a sign of Damro on the mountain. We finished with the Rothschild and we've come to the Damro tea plantation. This is more popular, more on YouTube. So we thought we'll come to both of them and see what's the difference in each one. This one is on steep hillside. That's something that you see straight away. Let's go inside and see what this place is. More like a fish market really, because it's very much more popular. It is extremely busy and very noisy. Their teas and the tea boxes look very similar to the ones at the Rothschild farm. This place, as you heard, is quite hectic. They don't have enough people and they're taking people in groups and explaining. So I don't think they have enough people to take everybody around. There's such a difference between the Rothschild and here. So if you're thinking which ones to choose, go to the Rothschild one. It's a lot quieter, lots less noise. Well, quieter is less noise, and not so many people. These people are victims of their own success. So now it's very busy.
So ma'am, welcome to our factory. Nice to meet you. I am Harshani. So factory name is Damro. This factory is 150 years old.
Older than you.
Don't tell her. So this is the one of biggest factory in Sri Lanka. We have 1,200 acres. 1,000 employees, ma'am. More than 600 tea pickers.
600 tea pickers.
Yes. A day, ma'am, we produce here 3 tons of tea.
3 tons?
Every day. Normally they should pick 18 kilos a day.
Oh wow.
18.
How many times they go?
Actually more than 3-4 times, because if they pick more than 18, so if they pick more than 18, they will get
Bonus.
extra money for that.
If they take less, they'll get
They will give
money.
the salary, because if it is badly raining only, they can't achieve that 18. So other than that, they are picking definitely more than 50 kilos because of their experience. But if it is badly raining, they can't achieve that goal, like 18 also. They will give the salary, not for the extra, only for the minimum. The picking, if you are imagining, it is very hard work. If it is raining or when it is sunny, they should work.
Oh, okay.
Always slippery because mountain area.
Yes.
But only women, strong women, work in the field as tea pickers. It is the traditional way in Sri Lanka. Cutting trees, pruning and fertilizing, like heavy things for the men. Okay. Normally, so ma'am, when they are picking, they should pick 2 leaves and a bud. Once a week, but all year round. They are picking like section by section. If they pick today in here, tomorrow they will move to the another section. After 7 days, they will come back to the same section. It's like a circle. Once a week, but all year round we can harvest. Camellia sinensis, it is the botanical name for this tea plant. Here has 2 different varieties, green leaf tea plant and red leaf tea plant. Using green leaf tea plant, we can produce green tea and black tea. Using red leaf tea plant, ma'am, we can produce white tea, silver tips and golden tips. Have you heard about those? Not really. We use only the tips.
Okay.
No machineries at all. Only this part.
Only this one. Okay.
No machineries at all, ma'am. Drying under the sun. For the golden tea, 34 days. Silver tips, 24 days. White tea, 14 days.
Yeah.
Then we can get 3 different tastes. Golden tips, little bit strong. Silver tips, medium. White tea, very light. 3 of them has less caffeine, It's like decaffeinated tea, 0.02 caffeine in it. But it is not oxidized, not fermenting. But it's rare. A day 3 tons of black tea we produce here, but white, gold and silver 10 kilos per month.
Not very popular then.
Now it's getting popular
Okay.
because it's healthier.
So it
But
doesn't
it
have
is-
caffeine.
Yes, it's like gold. 50 grams, $50.
Ooh.
It is the most expensive tea.
Okay.
It is not for me. It is expensive. Tea, normally, tea pickers, ma'am, sir, they are originally from India. But now they are settled in Sri Lanka. Yeah, yes,
The people who pick.
yes, it is. They are
India.
from, most of Hindu people work in the field as tea pickers. It's like a small unity, small village inside the plantation. But this company, they should give all the facilities for them. Houses for the children's daycare centers, schools, hospitals, everything. But husband and wife both, they should work for the factory.
Yeah.
It is a rule.
Yeah.
This isn't what you told us. Oh.
Yes, if it is bigger or if it is small, they didn't care it. Whatever 7 days grows up, they are picking because depend on weight, they can earn more money.
This is not what you showed us there.
Yeah, the leaves.
This is very good. Yes, it's good for
Big
quality.
3 leaves and a bud. Still, it is not raw, but they are picking. But
Maybe
they check.
enough.
They
18
check.
kilo, yeah.
Yes,
They can do a lot more.
Yes, they can earn more money.
That's right.
Okay, so ma'am, this is the process for black tea. We call as withering process. Line process. Each line we can put 2,000 kilograms of tea leaves. 2 tons each line. Just leave there, sir, 12 hours with fan. You can see over there 3 big rollers. It is the circumscribed black tea. After removing 50% moisture, tea leaves come to that machines from top. That machine for crushing, rolling, 250 kilos per 20 minutes, just crushed. After 20 minutes, ma'am, tea leaves go to the cutter machine and make it small. Then come to the sieve. Separated 5 different sizes of tea leaves, smaller to big. Green color turns to brown. It's like an apple, banana, like oxidation. For the green tea also, so ma'am, as I told, we use same tea plant, only young leaves. We are not drying, we are not cutting, crushing, sieving, nothing for green tea, only steaming and drying.
So the same ladies collect the other one as well?
Yes, for the green tea. Yes.
So they have to do different
Picking. For the
Different
green tea.
picking.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Different
But
picking.
they can't pick 18 kilo of those ones. They have to
They are
pick less, huh?
picking. They are picking. For the green tea also minimum is 18.
Oh.
All right.
So do they get paid more for the green
When we
tea?
are, yes, they can, because and the white also,
Yeah.
when they are preparing white tea, green tea, they can earn more money because it's hard. Because they have to pick carefully.
All right. Yeah, because
Yeah.
thinner thing.
Yes, they are very fast.
They're very fast, yeah.
And they can choose by themselves.
No, no, ma'am. Actually, every day we are not producing the green tea. This is only for black tea. For green tea, 600 go to the picking
Yeah.
and the small quantity. So, ma'am, green tea and black tea, exactly same tea plant, but completely different process. Green tea, more antioxidation, that's why it has healthier benefits than black tea. It has less caffeine. After manufacturing the green tea, it stays green because it is not oxidation. But only 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, completely brown color turns to black. Then it is black tea. Okay. But for this dryer machine, so ma'am, we use only firewood, no gas, no electricity. Then firewood, basic gas.
So you
wood
have to
fire.
keep adding to the wood.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Actually, we use in here rubber wood, rubber trees. It's burning longer.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and we can get good aroma, taste, and color.
Oh, for the aroma. All right.
Yes, it is.
Otherwise,
That's
you can
right.
use different things.
Yes, it is. Some factories they use gas, electric, like everything. But still, we use firewood to protect that same taste. You can see, ma'am, our whole process on the wall, picking to packing, only one day, sir. Picking to packing will take only one day.
And other thing, your fibers have a lot of moisture. It's we need for the fermentation step. Otherwise, we want to add extra water.
I am now drawing and yes. Okay. So ma'am, after drying, tea leaves come to this machine. This is electrostatic stalk extractor. Using this machine, sir, we can separate tea leaves from the stalks. Because only leaves we can bring stalks, rejected tea, go back to the field as fertilizer. Compost. Only the leaves go to the grading and they pack like that big sack. A day now, sir, as I told, we produce here 3 tons of tea, but from that 80% sent to the auction in Colombo. Tea buyers like Dilma, Lipton, Ceylon, Twinings, some of them they don't have like these factories, they have just brand name.
Lipton.
Yes, they are
Huge
buying.
thing.
It is. They are buying from the auction and they blended whatever they want and export it under their names, not the factory's name.
The quality is the same.
It is not.
Always the same.
It is not. They are blending whatever they want. Our tea with another tea factory's tea. Tea with any flavors. Good quality tea with bad quality tea. Make it cheap and export it under their names, not
So
charge.
your tea here is
Unblended pure tea, sir, only 20% we keep for you all under Damro, but only in our tea shop, not outside in Sri Lanka. You can't find our brand name outside anywhere. It because, ma'am, tea auction controlled by government. No machineries at all drying under the sun, so it has less caffeine. Green tea, herbal tea, and these are the 5 different sizes of black teas. BOPF, second one, broken orange pekoe phoenix. Broken means breaking tea leaves. Orange means natural color of the tea but not orange flavor. Pekoe means the seeds are natural, originally from China. The seeds. F means fine inch, very small leaves. So if it is smaller, then it is stronger. You can add milk on it. BOP medium taste, same like English breakfast tea. Flowery pharynx medium taste, pekoe and orange pekoe, bigger leaves, lighter taste. The light bright is semi-fermenting and semi-drying process. It is not exactly green and it is not exactly black. In between. And those are the flavor teas after final process mixed with natural flavor on it like cinnamon, ginger, vanilla, strawberry like that. But after final process. Okay, so ma'am. That's all then, both are safe, explanation is over from here and our factory tour also over from here.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
The lady who did our tour did do a lot more explanation of the teas, but the teas look very similar. Even the boxes are the same. So this place we chose to go for the chocolate cake because I saw the cakes on display over there. And the tea cake looked exactly the same, so I thought I would go for chocolate cake this time. And here they don't give a lot of complimentary teas, unlike the other one. They give complimentary
This is the
black tea. That's
broken orange pekoe. black tea.
That's the black tea.
Yeah,
The English breakfast.
yeah, sir.
So their only complimentary one is the one of the cheaper ones,
English
cheaper blend, English breakfast. And he's supposed to bring me a couple of small samples. Let's see what he brings. Chocolate cake is regular chocolate cake, nothing special about it. It isn't like the regular black tea we have. Even I had to put some sugar in it. And this place really is loud and noisy. You don't get the calm feeling that you had at the Rothschild. So do stop at the Rothschild one and come here to compare or give this a miss. So if you like the video, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time for travel and review videos. Bye. He brought me this orange OP and the silver and the green tea. I did say to him I didn't want green tea because I'm not a green tea fan. These teas are extremely mild. This one almost tastes of nothing. This one is halfway to being a green tea.